what's up? If I was thinking of a challenge that if you guys want to do it, I will I will appreciate it, but not at the same time. I have a challenge for for every like in this video. I will mine three volcanic rocks, and every sub in this video I will mine five volcanic rocks. So better subscribe. I'm just bored. I have no life. So like and subscribe, I guess. Peace.